Hi, welcome to Bitcore WordPress tutorial and thanks for watching. In this video, I will show you how to add a new post on WordPress. So first you log into your WordPress dashboard, then you navigate to the add new post screen. Here is where you put in your post title. Always try to make sure you have your content ready before coming online. So we're going to use lorem ipsum, which is dummy text here. So we're going to get in the content for this. Let's copy some of this here. So you see a URL is generated here. This is more of a link to your WordPress post. You could always edit this to make it more friendly. Okay, and we could paste in our content here. Say you want to add an image. Okay, so we use the add media. You could add an image, a video, or a document. Select the file. Let's add this image over here. Then insert into post. You see the image comes in here. So let's see how these things up here come into play. We could always select this, make it bold or not. We could select some text here, make it italic. It basically gives you the Microsoft Word feel. You could add hyperlink to this. We could add number. We could add bullet point. We could code this, align to the left, align to the center, align to the right. It all depends on you. Then we could also add a link to a word. Say you want to make this printing link back to your home page. When you double select this, you could make it bold, insert a link here. Let's add it, take back to bitcore.com. Enter. So you see when this link is clicked, it takes you to bitcore.com's website. Okay. So that's it basically when it comes to adding your content here. You could add as many pictures as possible. Now let's go to the right. If you're not done editing this post, you could always come back, but then you could always save as draft. Then it saves this as draft. You could come back later and continue. You could press this to preview how this looks like before it goes live. Then status, okay, you could set it as is in draft currently. If you have someone else who's gonna preview this before publishing, then you set to pending review, but let's just leave it at draft. Then visibility, let's leave it as public. Okay, publish immediately, yes. Then publish option here. But then before we do that, we should always go down, select a blog category. Okay, we could select travel, so we know that this blog post is going to be in the category of travel. Now lorem, it's a dummy word, so hashtags, as I said in my previous video, so we could just put dummy words lorem. If you're publishing about health, you could put in health tips there, health tags there. Then featured image, as I said in the other video, this is more of the thumbnail, so we could also upload that here. Let's select this as the featured image. So this will be the featured image here. Now let's go over to the Yoast SEO. This is a plugin that helps boost your blog online, your blog post online. So as you can see here, it gives you more of like a Google look. Okay, saying this is how your blog is going to look like when it shows on Google. So a focus word here is more like what would your visitor go to Google to type to see your blog post. So because let's just call this dummy. So someone goes on dummy and then dummy comes up as your blog post can come up as a result. Okay, so your featured image is set. You have some tags there. You have the category in place. You have you have the Yoast here settled. Okay, you could also come into this readability here. Yoast gives you some recommendation on content you can add to your blog post. Add a subheading, but basically you could still go with this. Okay, this is fine. Okay, so you have the content here ready, you have everything looks good, then we publish our post. So once the post is published, it goes live immediately. Okay, if you want to schedule the post, it's going to go live on the day you want it to go live. As you can see here, the post is ready and is live, and that's how you post a blog on WordPress. If you like this video, click on the like button and go ahead and leave us a comment there. Also, we'd love to hear from you, and subscribe to our YouTube channel to get the latest video.